Is your Smeg dishwasher not draining properly? This is actually a very common problem. Statistics show that about 35% of all dishwasher service calls are related to drainage issues. Let's go through a systematic diagnostic checklist to identify what's causing your drainage problem. First, open your dishwasher and check for standing water in the bottom of the tub. Standing water is a clear sign that your dishwasher isn't draining properly. Next, locate and inspect the cylindrical filter at the bottom of your dishwasher. This filter catches food particles and debris. It should be cleaned every 2 to 4 weeks depending on usage. During the drain cycle, listen carefully for any unusual noises coming from the drain pump. Grinding, clicking, or excessive humming sounds can indicate pump problems. If your dishwasher is connected to a garbage disposal, check that the disposal is functioning correctly. 60% of dishwasher drainage problems actually stem from issues with the disposal unit. For new disposals, make sure the knockout plug has been removed. Finally, if you have a newer Smeg model, check for diagnostic modes that can provide specific error codes for drainage issues. These codes can help pinpoint exactly what's wrong with your dishwasher's drainage system. By following this systematic diagnostic checklist, you should be able to identify the source of your Smeg dishwasher's drainage problem. Once you've pinpointed the issue, you'll be ready to move on to the appropriate repair solution. The first and most common fix for drainage issues is cleaning the dishwasher filters. Start by removing the bottom dish rack to access the filter area at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. Locate the cylindrical filter with a handle. Unscrew it by turning counterclockwise to remove it completely. You'll also find a coarse filter beneath it that needs to be lifted out. Rinse both filters under hot water using a soft brush to remove all food particles and grease buildup. This is crucial for proper water flow. Once clean, reinstall them in reverse order. If your dishwasher is connected to a garbage disposal, this is often the source of drainage problems. Run the garbage disposal with cold water for 30 seconds to clear any blockages that might be preventing proper drainage. Next, inspect the drain hose that connects your dishwasher to the sink drain or garbage disposal. Disconnect the hose at the sink connection and check for kinks, clogs, or any visible damage. If you find blockages in the drain hose, use a plumber's snake to remove them. Insert the snake into the hose and work it through to break up any clogs that might be restricting water flow. Ensure your drain hose has a proper high loop installation. This prevents dirty water from backing up into your dishwasher. The hose should loop up high before connecting to the disposal or drain. For newer Smeg models, take advantage of smart diagnostics through app-based troubleshooting. These systems can help pinpoint specific drainage issues and guide you through additional repair steps. After completing these DIY fixes, run a test cycle to verify proper drainage. Look for complete water removal, no standing water, and normal cycle completion. These steps resolve most common drainage issues in Smeg dishwashers.